Hello, and welcome to My Low Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. One of my favorite breakfast foods is chorizo and egg breakfast burritos. It's so good. I love the taste of a spicy chorizo sausage. Today I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to make a chorizo sausage that you can use for breakfast burritos, to top on your nachos, to put in regular burritos, or even make tacos out of them. So let's go ahead and get started. The ingredients for homemade Mexican chorizo are 1 pound of ground meat of your choice. You can use pork, chicken, turkey, or beef. Today I'm going to go ahead and use ground pork. 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground coriander, 2 teaspoons dried oregano, 2 teaspoons red pepper flakes, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. We will start by first combining all of our dry ingredients. So first ingredient we're going to put in is the chili powder. Next is our paprika, followed by our cumin, salt, garlic powder, coriander, oregano, pepper flakes, cloves, and black pepper. Next, using a spoon, we'll go ahead and mix those all together. Into the mixing bowl, we'll add our meat. Add our mixed up spices to the meat. Add your apple cider vinegar. Next, either using a mixer or your hands or a spoon, go ahead and mix all the ingredients together. Here I'm going to use my KitchenAid to go ahead and mix that together. Once all the ingredients are mixed together, we'll go ahead and put those into a container and refrigerate it for up to 2 hours or overnight. When you're done refrigerating the meat, you can go ahead and cook it in a pan. Here I'm going to cook enough for a couple breakfast burritos. Now you want to cook this on medium heat for 5 minutes or so until the chorizo browns. Our chorizo is all done cooking. You can see it's nice and brown. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add it to a tortilla with some eggs and have myself a breakfast burrito. Okay, let's go ahead and roll that up. We're going to go ahead and roll this into a burrito real quick. And there's our breakfast burrito. Now it's time for the taste test. And here we have our breakfast burrito. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. I love it. Nice spicy chorizo. Mixed with eggs, perfect. Thanks for joining us today, My Low Country Living, as we made homemade Mexican chorizo. If you like this video, then go ahead and drop us a comment or hit that like button. But we'd love to hear from you and hear what you think about the recipe if you went ahead and made that. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. Thanks.